Okay, these are solutions to your study guide. What I did is I put all the solutions on one slide, but I will go over them line by line. So the first one, I've given you sales for 2010 through 2013 January, 2013 January through June, and you're going to use the naive method to forecast. The 214 sales using 12%. So you're just going to take your 2013 numbers and multiply them by 1.12. And when you go across, of course, for January, you get 25,872, February 22,848, and again, March, you're going to take 21,000 multiplied by 1.12, and you're going to get 23,520, and so on. To use the 3-week moving average, you're going to use 2011, 2012, and 2013. You're going to add those together, divided by 3, and you're going to get your forecast for 2014. Now, if we assume that our forecasted sales are now our actual sales, then we're going to go ahead and drop 2011. We're just going to use 2012, 2013, our new 2014 numbers, and again do the 3-week moving average, and you have your answers across. Like I've told you before, you always want to use January to forecast January sales, and February to forecast February, and so on. If it's days of the week, you always want to use Mondays to forecast Mondays, and so on. And then finally, we have our weighted average, and you will have a problem on weighted average on the test, so you'll need to go ahead and understand how to do this. And going back to everything we've said, our most recent period is our most valuable period, so that's the one that's going to get the highest weight. So if I give you weights, you're going to need to go ahead and use those weights accordingly. So here we have a 0.4 for 2013, a 0.3 for 2012, a 0.2 for 2011, and a 0.1 for 2010. So we're just going to go ahead and multiply, as an example, 2010 by 0.1, and we get 2130. 2011 times 0.2 for January, and we get 3,860. For January on 2012, we're going to take the 22,400 multiplied by 0.3, and we're going to get the 6,720. And finally, for 2013, we're going to multiply 2310 by 0.4, and we're going to get 9,240. We're just going to add them up. I don't think I need to go through these for every month. I just wanted to give you the solution so that you're sure that you can calculate it. And I think you all know that if you have any problems with the homework, the homework or the study guides or anything, or if you're not sure if something we didn't cover is on the test, you can always email me or call me, and I can walk you through it or clarify it. So now we're on to Chapter 10.